Bonjour, bienvenue, le plus que parfait. Past perfect tense we learn in this YouTube class. Learning plus que parfait will be easy if you have the knowledge of the construction of passé composé. Passé composé we have already taught in this digital French class 23. Passé composé is nothing but the subject, that is je, tu, illal, nous, illal plus avoir or être conjugation in indicative present tense plus past participle of the verb. Here in plus que parfait we change the present tense of avoir or être into imperfect of avoir or être. That is the only change we make in plus que parfait. Passé composé, j'ai fini. I have finished. Plus que parfait, j'avais fini. That is, I had finished. I have finished is passé composé. I had finished is plus que parfait. Have changes into had. That is, present tense of avoir changes into imperfect of avoir. The usage and application of plus que parfait is same as we use past perfect tense in English. We'll discuss all the details in this YouTube class. We have parler, to speak, conjugated in plus que parfait. Je, subject, j'avais, subject plus avoir conjugated in imperfect plus past participle of the verb parler, spoken. P-A-R-L-E-R is to speak. P-A-R-L-E acute accent, spoken. J'avais, I had. So it becomes I had spoken. J'avais parlé. I had spoken. Tu avais parlé. You had spoken. Il avait parlé. He had spoken. Elle avait parlé. She had spoken. Nous avions parlé. We had spoken. Vous aviez parlé. You had spoken. Ils avaient parlé. Elles avaient parlé. They had spoken. This is the conjugation of the verb parler in plus que parfait in the affirmative form. In the negative form, ne pas is added. Ne is added after the subject. N-E, that becomes N apostrophe in front of away. Pa is added after the auxiliary verb avoir. So we get je n'avais pas parlé. I had not spoken. Je n'avais pas parlé. I had not spoken. Tu n'avais pas parlé. You had not spoken. Like this it goes on. This one is the negative form of plus que parfait. Making interrogative. Making a question, est-ce que is added with j'avais parlé, the affirmative form. When we add est-ce que with the affirmative form, it becomes interrogative. Est-ce que j'avais parlé? And from tu, we follow the inversion method in order to make interrogation. Subject pronoun tu and auxiliary verb avoir are inversed. That is tu, il, al, mu, vu, il, al. All these subject pronouns are written after the conjugation of the verb avoir. So we get avais-tu parlé, avais-tu parlé, avais-tu parlé. Like that it continues. What will be the meaning? Est-ce que j'avais parlé? Had I spoken? Avais-tu parlé? Had you spoken? This is the translation. So, je n'avais pas parlé is the negative. Est-ce que j'avais parlé? Avais-tu parlé? This one is interrogative. While talking about intransitive verbs, alle, we conjugate the compound tenses with the help of être. So, être is conjugated in imperfect and past participle is added. Never forget that the past participle is made agreement with the gender and number of the subject. So it becomes j'étais allé. A-L-L-E, acute accent. One more E is added if je is feminine. Tu étais allé. E is added if tu is feminine. Il était allé. Elle était allée. Nous étions allés. Vous étiez allés. Ils étaient allés. Elles étaient allées. Do not miss to note the addition of es, es with the past participle wherever the agreement is required. This is how an intransitive verb like alle is conjugated in pluique parfait affirmative form. In the negative form, ne is added after the subject je and pas is added after the auxiliary verb être. It becomes je n'étais pas allé. I had not gone. Beware of the agreement. Interrogative form, est-ce que j'étais allé? Étais-tu allé? Etc. What's the meaning? Had I gone? Had you gone? This is how an intransitive verb like alle is conjugated in pluique parfait, affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. Let's talk about pronominal verbs. In compound tenses, pronominal verbs make use of être, and here être is conjugated in imperfect because we are framing pluique parfait. So it becomes je m'étais lavé. Je is a subject pronoun, me is a reflexive pronoun, était is the conjugation of être in imperfect, and laver is a past participle of the verb with agreement. So, je m'étais lavé, I had washed myself. Tu t'étais lavé, you had washed yourself. Il s'était lavé, he had washed himself. Elle s'était lavée, she had washed herself. Nous nous étions lavés, we had washed ourselves. Vous vous étiez lavés, you had washed yourselves. Ils étaient lavés, elles étaient lavées, they had washed themselves. This is the conjugation of pronominal verb in pluique parfait, affirmative form, making negative. Ne is added after the subject je, pas is added after the auxiliary verb être. It becomes je ne m'étais pas lavé. Tu ne t'étais pas lavé. I had not washed myself. You had not washed yourself. Making questions. Est-ce que je m'étais lavé? T'étais-tu lavé? S'était-il lavé? S'était-elle lavé? Like that it goes on. Had I washed myself? Had you washed yourself? And so on. This one is the interrogative form of a pronominal verb in the tense pluique perfect, past perfect tense. Read and understand these 5 sentences. Mala était allée à Paris. Mala had gone to Paris. Pluique perfect. Number 2, elle avait acheté une maison. She had bought a house. Hema s'était levé à 6 heures. Hema had got up at 6 o'clock. J'avais écrit. I had written. Nous avions fini le devoir. We had finished the homework. All the 5 sentences are made in pluique perfect. Please read these sentences again for a better understanding. You have some conjugations to do in pluique perfect. Number 1 is vendre des pommes. To sell some apples, you must conjugate in pluique perfect affirmative. Number 2, venir de l'école. To come from the school in negative pluique perfect. And third one is a pronominal verb, se fâcher, in interrogative form in the tense pluique perfect. Do it carefully. If you have any doubts, do not hesitate to go through this YouTube class from the beginning. You may subscribe to this channel for the notifications of the latest lessons. I take leave. Au revoir. Merci.